Assalamu alaikum. If you want to watch new videos on our channel, then subscribe our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Moreover, for appreciation, like our video and share it with your friends. You can also comment below giving your suggestions. Now let's start today's video. Every word is one part of speech or the other. The parts of speech are 8 in number: noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, preposition, conjunction, adverb, interjunction. The noun. It is a word used to name a person, place, thing, or idea. Child, Qadir, city, Rawat, square, car, radium, fairy, struggle, honesty, achievement. This stranger comes from Abaddon. A sage, wise person in rags is better than a fool in robes. The pronoun. It is a word used in place of a noun. I, me, you, she, them, it, which, who. The adjective or modifier. It is a word used to describe or add to the meaning of a noun or a pronoun. Great, small, beautiful, weak, upper, lower, stronger, better. He is our great leader. We are his strongest supporters. The verb. It is a word that says something about a person, place, or thing. Sit, jump, is, fail, rise, think, decide. Does she always help you climb up the heights or fall into the depths? But don't sit still. The preposition. It is a word that shows the connection of a noun or a pronoun with another word: on, in, under, above, toward, or towards. She has confidence in me. The society can move towards better destinations. The conjunction. It is a word that joins words or sentences: and, or, but, though, yet, so, either, neither, nor. Rise or you will fall. I helped the sick man, though I was very tired. The adverb or modifier. It is a word that adds to the meaning of a verb, adjective, or an other adverb, or any part of speech except a noun or pronoun. Quickly, honestly, fast, quiet, dramatically, critically. They returned home quickly. They work honestly and fast. This building is truly beautiful but quite small for all our family. Without new dams, the country will move backwards. The interjunction or exclamation. It is a word or sound that shows feeling or emotion. Ah, alas, oh, hurrah, ah, oh, for disapproval. Ah, it is the same book I needed. Alas, our great leader is dead. What a fine plan indeed.